Can we download Fortnite on iPhone? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll talk about how we can download Fortnite on iPhone and if it's even possible. So let's get started. First step, just head over to your App Store to check if it's available on your region. So head over to your App Store and search for Fortnite. And in my region, Fortnite is not available in App Store. There you can see there is no option for Fortnite. So you can head over to your search bar or your web browser and search for Fortnite there. As you can see, as Epic Games or Fortnite's website says, Fortnite is available worldwide on Android. And for the iOS devices, it's only available in United States and the European Union. So if you want to play on your iOS device, if it will only work if you're on your United States or European Union. And for them, it's available on the App Store itself. And as you can see, there are other ways to play Fortnite on the mobile devices as well, but you will need to use the cloud gaming options. And it's not really available in my device, but for you, you can go through the website there and download it. And I hope this video answers your question that you cannot play your Fortnite on your mobile device unless you are on America, United States or European Union. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.